What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the life of Maggie and me. Today we're going to show you another version of a healthy dinner that we love to eat during the weekday in our house. So first, what you're going to want to do is get out your cast iron skillet, some avocado oil, a few slices of chicken breast. After you clean your meat, you want to go ahead and season it to perfection. And when your cast iron is real hot and that avocado oil is smoking, you want to go ahead and add your chicken breast to the pot. And don't flip it too early. You want it to really get that brown, kind of like simulating a grill aspect. So that's why we use the cast iron. So once you put the chicken breast down, you just want to let it cook. When you turn it over, it should look exactly like this. We also went ahead and diced up some sweet potatoes, drizzled that in some olive oil, seasoned to taste, and we're just roasting them in the oven as one of our sides. Next, we're going to make some garlic Parmesan asparagus. So we have some organic asparagus that we got from Sprouts. We cut them up a little bit. You're going to go ahead and add some extra virgin olive oil to the pan. You're going to go ahead and add some butter. And then you're going to go ahead and add some garlic paste. So that's going to make that garlic butter niceness that we want on this asparagus. So as you see, we added the butter again to the olive oil. Then we added the garlic, and then you just kind of let that cook down till it starts to get fragrant. You don't want it burnt or anything like that. We use garlic paste, not even the garlic cloves. We use the paste because I feel like that sticks to vegetables a lot better, but your preference. So once that's all marinating together and getting all nice and fragrant, you go ahead and add your asparagus. Make sure that it gets evenly coated in that delicious garlic butter niceness, and season to taste. Once they start getting bright green and they're basically done, that's when you're going to want to whip out that Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese is coming up. About to show y'all which one we use. So we use that Bella Rosa, no fillers, no preservatives, none of that stuff. So once it's basically done, you want to turn your pot off and then, add the Parmesan cheese, let it melt over everything. And this is what it looks like when it comes together. We also had this nice avocado, so we ate a big piece of that with it, and that's our healthy dinner.